It's important to note that when you're prompting the AI, your choice of words, the prompt you put in, will determine the answer AI will give you. And it will also determine the future responses when you're using the same context window. For example, if I first bias the model towards a UI UX designer and then ask for a code level React solution, the result will differ from prompting you are a software engineering from the start. So let's look at the first example. You are a UI UX designer. Let's think about user flows and accessibility. Actually, give me a code level React solution. Now, this would emphasize on the UX patterns, include comments about intent and usability, favor readability over performance, choose different component boundaries, and structure state differently. Whereas, if I tell it, you are a software engineer, give me a code level React solution, this will drive the LLM into a different direction, and it might focus on architectures. It will optimize for performance or scalability, include edge cases earlier, and use different idioms or abstractions. This is why it's really important to know what you want from the start and to be able to know when you want to switch the context, when you want to open up a new LLM chat versus when you want to continue versus what choice of words, what you are looking forward to, what you want the LLM to emphasize on more when answering your questions.